Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the basics in place. Update iPad OS and both apps so compatibility is stable, because older versions block streaming. Once done, sign into Netflix and Discord, then join the voice channel where you want to share. Make sure screen recording is enabled in Control Center. This is why you can capture app audio and video. You're now ready to bring the screen recorder into the Control Center and prepare to stream. Don't skip the permission checks. Now perform the core action. Open Control Center, long press the screen recording icon to see broadcast targets. Choose Discord from the list so your stream routes into the voice channel. Toggle your microphone if you want commentary. Tap Start Broadcast and count the 3-second countdown. This prevents accidental clips. Immediately switch to Netflix and begin playback. You do this because Discord captures the screen feed as a live broadcast. Make sure app finish by stopping the broadcast in Control Center when done. This ensures Discord returns to normal. If viewers report no sound, verify the microphone toggle and the iPad volume, then quit and reopen Netflix and Discord. This resolves most audio capture glitches. If Netflix refuses to play due to DRM, try a different streaming region or update apps and iPad OS. Sometimes restarting the iPad resolves protected content blocks. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.